Summer season means mango season, especially Indians eagerly wait for the summer season. This season may leave they with intense heat from the scorching sun, but at the same time, getting mango in this season makes us forget all our sorrows. Those who are crazy about eating mangoes must be able to understand these feelings related to mango. Raw mango juice is very tasty and protects from the risk of heart attack. It regenerates sodium and zinc released through sweat in the body. Vitamin C is found in very high quantity in it, which protects you from blood disorders. It works as a tonic in diseases like TB, anemia, cholera. Raw mango drink makes blood cells flexible and helps in making new blood cells. Raw mango drink is very helpful in protecting you from heat stroke in summer. Some such elements have been found in raw mango, which clean our blood. Any blood-related disorder can be cured by consuming raw mango. If someone's blood is not clean, due to which acne occurs and the skin also looks lifeless, then he should drink raw mango juice. This juice also clears the complexion and brings glow on the face. For those who have constant gas problem, raw mango is a panacea. This is another effective property of raw mango, due to which the person's problem of gas and indigestion goes away. If gas, indigestion, constipation or any stomach-related disorder troubles, then eating raw mango gives relief.